calling for calm, staff and police evacuate visitors from the Louvre. After a daring daylight robbery, targeting jewellery said to be part of a collection dating back to Napoleon Bonaparte and Empress Josephine.
These are
jewels of heritage value and inestimable worth. It lasted 7 minutes. This was a major heist carried out by a team that had done their homework, were clearly experienced and acted very, very quickly.
It's a heist worthy of Hollywood itself. Reports suggest that at around 9:30, a group of 3 or 4 people climbed this ladder up to an outside balcony, cut through a glass window and headed to the Gallery of Apollo. That's where what remains of the French crown jewels were on display. Crowns, diamonds and jewellery of incalculable worth.
It must be said these are professionals. Organised crime today targets art objects, and museums have obviously become targets because France is a country with a rich heritage, a country with historical heritage objects of great value.
One item has already been found. Police say they believe it was dropped as the thieves made their escape. Now, forensics teams are hunting for clues as to who was behind the heist, as well as the rest of the stolen treasures.